Today we mourn the loss of our dear friend, Monkey Freddy. This is a very, very sad day indeed, but we're not going to take this as a loss. We're going to take this with stride, and we're going to make our newest monkey member, Monkey Freddy's best friend, Monkey Bonnie. Please come to the stand, Monkey Bonnie. Monkey Bonnie. Alright, you're not a monkey yet, but we're gonna make you one. Monkey Freddy's gonna do this for you. Alright, he's gotta brush your teeth now. Squirtle, can you hand us out with some water? Alright, thank you. Thank you. Alright.